Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So as you know, this is our online English literature class and today we are going to do chapter number 2, that was The Hidden Sun. Now children, as you all know that today we are going to do revision number 2 of chapter 2. So let's get started with it. Are you all ready? Very good. So first of all, I will give you the introduction of this story in a very short manner. Okay? So are you all ready children? Very good. So as you all know, this is a story of about some animals. This is a story of a forest where some animals were living. Okay? And one day what happened that the sun hid behind the hills and there was blackout everywhere. The sun hid behind the hill and there was all over there was black. Okay, they could not see anything and there was a lot of confusion. Okay, so what happened children? You all remember this story? No animal could see anything. There was a lot of confusion everywhere. Okay, हर तरफ वहाँ पे अंधेरा था और कोई कुछ नहीं देख सकता था. Then what happened? All the animals decided to have a meeting. Remember? Very good. So next what happened children? That the animals had a meeting that who will call out to the sun. And you know what? When the animals had the meeting that who will call out to the sun, who called out the sun first? The lion said that I will call out to the sun. So they had a meeting and wanted to decide who would call out to the sun. So the lion said that I will call out to the sun. Then next what happened? How did the sun called out? How did the lion called out to the sun? Sun, please don't run away from us. Come back and shine on us. लायन ने अपनी एक बहुत ज़ोर से रोरिंग आवाज़ में क्या बोला? सन प्लीज़ डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम अस, कम बैक एंड शाइन ऑन अस. सो when the lion decided to call out to the sun first, then as he was the king of the forest, then he called out to the sun. But children, what happened? The sun did not listen. Sun ने lion की बात नहीं सुनी और वो बाहर नहीं आया. Okay, so are you all enjoying this story? You all are enjoying this video children? Very good. Now next what happened? Next who decided to call out to the sun after the lion? The elephant. So the elephant, how he called out to the sun? Sun, please come back. The elephant in his voice, what is the sound of an elephant children? Trumpet. So the elephant trumpeted and he said that sun, please come back. But what happened? The sun again did not listen to the elephant. So the first time lion called out the sun, the second time elephant called out the sun, but the sun did not respond. The sun did not came out. Okay. Now next what happened? After elephant, who called out to the sun? A beautiful peacock. And how it called out to the sun? It danced and pleaded. Okay, but again the sun did not listen. Then next came in the last a rooster. A rooster came to call out to the sun and everybody started laughing at him. But as the lion was a fair leader children, so he said that the rooster will call out the sun. Everybody should get given a chance to call out to the sun. And when the rooster called out to the sun the first time, what happened? The sun peeped from behind the hill. Okay, and when the sun peeped from behind the hill. All the animals were surprised. Then the rooster again, the second time also, he crowed. And how this time he crowed little higher. Okay, in a very loud voice, very bold voice, he again called out to the sun second time, and this time the sun came up little higher, और ऊपर की तरफ sun आ गया. Then what happened, children? Next, you all remember the third time when the rooster called out to the sun rose up high and bright in the sky. The sun came up very high in the sky and started shining very brightly. And after that, everyone was very delighted to see the sun in the sky, to see the light everywhere. So, next what happened, children? It is said that whenever all the animals were very happy, so from that day it is said that whenever the rooster crows in the morning, then the sun rises and shines in the sky. ये बोला जाता है कि जब rooster सुबह सुबह morning में crow करता है, तभी sun rise करता है sky में. So that is all in this story, children. I hope you all have understood it very clearly. And now, as you all know that you have understood the story very well, so we will be doing our revision exercise in our revision notebooks. Okay, so are you all ready for your revision exercise? Very good. So children, now take out your English literature revision notebook, okay, and then turn to a new page. So as you all know, yesterday we have done with our revision number 1, which was of chapter number 1. So now we are going to do revision of chapter number 2, that is the hidden sun. So as usual, you will first write down today's date, that is 25/5/2021. Then in the first line you will give the heading chapter number 2, the hidden sun. And in the next line you will give the heading revision number 2. Now children, make sure that first you will complete all your revision number 1, then you will come to revision number 2. Okay, so your work should be completed very nicely. Coming to the first part, that is part A. First of all, we are going to do word meanings. Is that clear? So in this video, part 1 video, I have explained you the chapter as well as I am giving you one exercise, that is part A of word meanings. And in the next video, part 2 video, I will be giving you 2 more exercises of this revision, that is on fill in the blanks and question and answers. Is that clear to you all, children? So are you all ready? Let's get started with the first exercise, that is word meanings. So the first word I have given you is bumped. B-U-M-P-E-D is bumped. And what is the meaning of bumped, children? To hit something without knowing. Okay, so you will write hit something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, hit something without, W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without knowing, K-N-O-W-I-N-G, knowing. Is that clear? To hit something without knowing. Now second word is pleaded, P-L-E-A-D-E-D, pleaded. So what is the meaning of pleaded? To make an appeal, A-P-P-E-A-L, appeal. Okay, to make an appeal. Now coming to the third word, that is boldly. The meaning of boldly is bravely, B-R-A-V-E-L-Y, bravely. Clear to you all? And in the last, the fourth is delighted, which means very happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Is that clear? Very happy. So once again I am repeating. One is bumped, meaning is hit something without knowing. Second is pleaded, meaning is to make an appeal. Third is boldly, meaning is bravely. Fourth is delighted and its meaning is very happy. So this is all for this video, part 1 video, children. In my part 2 video, you will be getting more other two exercises of question and answers and fill in the blanks. So after completing this, switch on to my part 2 video and listen to it very carefully, and then do your revision work on your own. Is it clear? So till my next video, bye.